Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Fort Wayne, where we talk all things outdoor living. I'm with Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, and today we're talking about waterproof deck systems and how they protect the space below your deck. This is especially important if you have a raised deck over a patio or any area you want to keep dry. On a standard deck, water is simple. It falls between the gaps in the boards and hits the ground below. That's fine if there's nothing under it, but it doesn't work well if you're trying to use that space for seating, storage, or outdoor living. Constant dripping water can stain concrete, damage items stored underneath, and over time, contribute to moisture problems around your home. Waterproof deck systems change that. These systems are designed to catch and redirect water so the area below stays dry. Some systems sit above the framing and create a continuous surface that sheds water away from the house. Others install under the deck boards, catching water that passes through and channeling it out to the edge. There are also vinyl systems like Duradek that act as both the walking surface and the waterproof layer, often used on decks over living spaces or enclosed areas. Choosing the right waterproof system depends on how you plan to use the space and how the deck is built. If you want a clean, dry patio area under your deck for furniture or an outdoor kitchen, you need a system that handles heavy rain and ice without trapping water. The framing has to be designed with the proper slope, and the connections at the house need to be sealed and flashed correctly. This is where planning and professional installation make a big difference. Material choice on top matters too. Many homeowners pair waterproof systems with composite decking boards for a low-maintenance surface that still looks good after years of use. Composite boards don't soak up water the way bare wood does, which helps the whole assembly stay more consistent over time. If you're thinking about a second-story deck or a deck over a patio, and you want to keep that lower space dry and usable, it's worth talking through waterproof options early in the design. At Tough Deck Builders Fort Wayne, we help plan these systems from the start so they work with the structure, not against it. You can reach our team at 260-254-7979 or visit toughdeckbuildersfortwayne.com to learn more. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Fort Wayne. Remember, once water gets into the wrong places, it's hard to undo the damage. Planning for waterproofing up front helps protect both your deck and the space under it for the long term. We'll see you next time.